Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to your favorite subject, mathematics. And today's topic is simple multiplication from the page number 82. So here we are going to learn a multiplication sums, that is simple multiplication. Okay. So let us go for the examples, more examples. Let us try a more examples. Let's solve the more examples so that you will understand better. So here you can see examples, that is simple multiplication. Let's start doing this multiplication. Okay. So you have to look carefully and try to understand and follow the steps, children. Okay. So this is a very important because you are going to learn here itself. Okay, children. So be thorough with these sums and it will be help in your next future. Okay. So here the first example is 1 multiply by 1. Okay. 1 into 1. So we have to always start with the below number. Below to up we have to go. Down to up. So better you put the arrow mark like this. So because it will help in the 2-digit number. So 1-digit number you can do up to down also, down to up also, that is no problem. But when it comes to the matter of 2-digit number, so this method will help you. Okay, children, that 2-digit number I will teach you later. Let's learn the 1-digit number, that is simple multiplication. Okay. So 1 ones are how much? Yes, 1 ones are 1. You have to write the answer below itself neatly. Now let's move to the next one. 2 into 1. Okay. Now again down to up. 1 2s are 2. Next again. So first you have to put the arrow mark like this. 2 2s are how much, children? 2 2s are 4. Write exactly below the number. That is very important because that is a place value. Okay. Next 4 2s are. Put the arrow mark. 4 2s are 8. Next again put the arrow mark. 6 2s are 12. Okay. This is the right method. But some children will write like this. I will show you. When it comes answer, when it comes a 2-digit number, some children will write like 2 6 2s are 12. This is totally wrong because 2 should be down to this place. Got it? That is 1's place. So from here you have to start. See, this 2 has to come here and 1 will go to the next 10's place. Got it, children? So this is wrong and this is right. So when it comes a 2-digit number, you have to write the answer properly. Got it? Okay. The next one, 3 2s are. So down to up. 3 2s are how much? Yes. 3 2s are 6. Next, 7 2s are. Down to up. 7 2s are 14. Write the answer properly. Got it? Next, 5 2s are. The symbol also is very important. Don't get confusion between addition and multiplication symbol. Okay, children? Yes. 5 2s are 10. Got it? Next, 9 2s are. 9 2s are 18. The next one, 8 2s are. 8 2s are 16. Got it? Yes. Let's see again some more examples. The next one is 4 6s are. From down to up you have to count. Okay. 4 6s are how much, children? 24. 4 6s are 24. Place value should be proper. Okay, you have to write the answer properly. Okay, the next one, 5 nines are how much? 5 nines are 45. Write the answer properly. The next one, 8 eights are 8 eights are 64. So you need to be thorough with the tables, children. So when it comes like this, you need to be quick. You need to be quick enough. Okay. So therefore you have to learn the tables every day. So when it comes the middle, then you have to write the answer properly. You have to say the answer very quickly. Okay. Now 10 6 are 10 6 are how much? 10 6 are 60. Okay, 10 6 are 60. The answer is 60. So here we have finished the examples of simple multiplication. I hope you all understood better. So here I am going to give you some homework, some sums as a homework. Okay, children, so you have to do yourself. So these all the sums you have to write in your classwork book neatly one time. Try to find out the answer yourself and kindly follow the method. Okay, kindly don't write the direct answer. So learn the tables, be perfect and find out the answer properly. Now let's see the homework. The first one is 7 8s are. The next 7 7s are. 9 6s are. 8 9s are. 3 8s are. 7 5s are. 10 4s are. 5 3s are. 5 5s are. And the last one is 4 9s are. So these are the 10 sums I have given as a homework. So find out the answer properly, children, and learn the tables. Okay. See you in the next class. Take care and bye-bye.